insane to think that this is India. This is India.
I don't think I'm ever gonna get over the fact that snow is literally falling from the sky in India. That's where we're going today.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another day. How's it going?
Sorry, I'm so much shorter than you. This makes it really hard. The plan for today is find the snow. It's about 7 AM now. We're not 100% sure how we're gonna get to the snow. We have heard there is a local bus at 8 AM.
Yeah.
So that's the challenge today. That's what we're doing today, guys. Today, we're going to the snow. How nice are the views from our hotel? There is nobody on the road this morning. This is crazy. I think this is the first time we have walked down this road or any road in India and there's been no people. Oh, except for that one car, but.
So this road we're walking down, the Manali Leh Highway, is super prone to landslides. And last year in June, there was some flooding and some pretty epic landslides in this area, and the whole highway was closed and thousands of people were trapped for a number of days. And I just want to show you the size of some of the boulders. Like, look at the tuk-tuk drive past. Look at the size of the boulder.
This is the rock. It's literally the size of me.
I think it was caused by, from what I read, it was caused by a combination of two things. So there was lots and lots of floods, so the ground was really wet, but sort of the primary cause of all of the landslides in the entire area is the poor construction of the highways. The highways have literally just been cut out of the hill and almost no retaining structures have been put in place. And so as soon as it got wet and, you know, as soon as the ground softened up, the whole place has just totally collapsed. God, like, this is an example of the damage. Like, you would hate to be this guy. God, I hope no one was in it. Look at that. All the way up past the yellow building. All landslide affected. Oh my goodness. Have a look. It's just horrible.
It's not the safest way to get into town, is it? So we've just arrived here in New Manali. We've walked into New Manali and the plan was to book a bus to get to Solang Valley, which is where the snow is. But at the moment, nothing is looking very open. Hopefully the bus stop, or the bus station, is open. But there's no one here, and nothing is open, so we'll see how this goes.
This place is so eerie.
I know, it's weird when there's like no one in a place you've been before that's really busy usually. It just feels like, I don't know, spooky.
Cauliflower, onion, potato.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Spicy, no spicy.
Spicy. We stopped to get breakfast because obviously we need breakfast, but it's 7:51 now and I'm starting to get a little bit nervous. This bus is at 8 AM and we don't know which bus it is, and there's like 15 buses here at this bus stop, so.
But our breakfast is so important.
But yeah, breakfast is gonna be great. We're getting parantha, which is like a type of it's like a doughy kind of bread, and it's usually stuffed with vegetables. We've got cauliflower today. They sort of fry it on a hot plate and they cover it in what's called ghee, which is like a really thick, fatty butter. So you know it's gonna be good.
Alright. Look at that hot plate. You know it's good when it's a flame like that.
How much?
50 rupees.
50. 80 rupees. 80. Okay, we got parantha.
Hi, sorry, I'm looking for the bus to Solang Valley.
Solang Valley?
Yeah.
This side.
Over here somewhere? Blue bus. Blue bus over here. Alright, fingers crossed, guys.
Could be any of them.
Alright, hold on. This one is open. It's got people on it.
This one? This one?
Alright, it's got people on it.
I don't know. How do you know where it's going? Okay, this is the bus.
This guy. Thank you. You're a bit hopeless sometimes. It's quite a comfy looking bus.
Yeah. Alright, do you want to sit here?
Yeah, just here?
Yeah.
You want to jump in?
There's really like high-tech looking plug. Look at this plug. Probably doesn't work though, let's be honest. So we're on the bus. Well, we're on a bus. We don't know if this is the right bus, but it's a blue bus.
Yeah. The lady in the window, one of the other passengers, said it was Solang Valley, so we're on this bus.
Smells nice. It's literally like steaming. It's good.
Is it spicy? We asked for spicy, so.
It's like spiced. I wouldn't say it's spicy. It's very different to the type of breakfast we're used to eating, but it's good.
So the bus is just about to start moving, and then it's this blue bus here behind me. The bus is just about to start moving, and then someone on the bus is like, the bus is no longer going to Solang. So we're off the bus. And now we're just met some locals who have offered to share a taxi, so fingers crossed we can get one for a decent price and we'll see what happens.
Okay, so we're just jumping in a cab with some people.
This is cozy.
Yeah. I don't know what's happening. We're getting a ski suit, I think. So apparently we have to get a ski suit, and all of these suits are like 1980s brightly colored, totally ugly ski suits. An ugly one like this one. Or this one. I want this one.
We probably don't need a ski suit, but how often do you get to wear one of these 80s retro ski suits in the snow
ski suit.
in Manali? Absolutely.
Thank you. The inside is a blanket. I don't know if I'm gonna fit in this. This feels like it's for a child.
You take your
jeans off? Oh no, I fit. I feel like I need really dramatic music.
These look like men's over here.
That's a good one.
Oh, gee.
What do you think?
Yes.
Oh, look at this one.
Thoughts?
Gold.
Thoughts?
Yeah. It's good.
It's good, it's bright, you won't lose me. Struggling a bit. This is our vehicle for the day. Gotta go.
Get in.
All set to go adventuring in the snow.
You look like a spaceman. It is the native snow dog of the Solang Valley.
So guys, we've made it to the snow. We are in the Solang Valley and I'm so stoked to be here. I haven't been to the snow in years. Well, we don't have it really in Australia.
Are we in India or Canada right now? Seriously though, who knew that India was gonna look like this? This is like a lot of snow.
Okay, Roger, we're gonna build a snowman. It's the goal of today.
Nobody has walked on this snow yet. This could end badly.
Ah!
Are you okay?
They sunk.
It was so dramatic.
What are you laughing at?
What? Oh no.
I'm gonna have cold, wet feet.
Oh no.
What's that thing where your toes freeze?
Frostbite?
I'm gonna get frostbite.
I don't know if you're gonna get frostbite.
I might.
So we're gonna go tube tobogganing, snow tobogganing. We're gonna go down the snow, down like a slide, down a snow slide in a big tube. I don't know, I'm from Australia. What do you call this? Is this tobogganing?
I have no idea.
Oh,
Oh my goodness, look at those stairs.
that's a really steep hill.
Now, we are gonna try this with the camera. So, kids, don't try this at home. I'll do my best not to break it. Found the rope,
Oh my days.
which is really handy.
Hard work
Yeah.
walking up the stairs. This is our tube. It's so much steeper than I thought it was gonna be. I'm a little scared.
Alright, what do we
You're
do?
going to sit in the tire. Yeah. On the tire.
Sit on the tire.
Yes.
Like
It's
this.
wet. And also you.
Oh, okay.
And legs up.
All right, you ready?
Ready?
Alright, I
We
guess.
gotta hold on
let's
to
do
each
it.
other, I guess.
Give the hand. Back side.
Hands
Back
in.
side.
Alright, don't touch the snow.
Don't touch the snow.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Go.
Oh yeah.
Ah! You gotta film it.
You forgot to film it!
I tried.
You didn't even film it!
I tried.
You
I
suck!
tried. That was pretty fun. Okay, I wasn't really good at filming, but it was fun.
So as soon as we went over the hill, Sally freaked out a bit and brought the camera into like, you know, like her chest, and so we got none of that.
Aww.
We're off to do it again.
Oh my god, how was that?
Nearly killed someone. So the bottom of the ramp, it's just this group of people on skis. So there was no safety check or anything. We just flew down the mountain. We're like nearly falling out. God, it was so much fun.
There's just no organization to this ski field. Like, there's paragliding, there's people skiing, there's like the tubing happening, there's zobbing, there's so many different activities, and it just feels like there is no order to any of it. It's honestly, it's an accident waiting to happen. actually snowing. I don't want to freak out right now. It's actually snowing. It's actual snow. Oh my god, it's actually snowing. It's actually snowing. I'm touching the snow. It's snowing. Oh my god, it's snowing. Snow is actually falling from the sky. I don't think I've ever felt snow from the sky before.
Where else does snow come from, babe?
Yeah, okay, but I mean, I've never like, this is the best day ever. It's snowing, it's snowing. I've never seen the snow before. Okay, wow. What a perfect like kind of end to this trip to the snow, but it actually snowing. Catch a falling snowflake in.
I've never really seen them.
They're all different. Isn't that like snowflakes things? Like no two snowflakes are alike?
Yeah, well, they're just like bits of ice, aren't they? Imagine this is what Canada is like in the winter.
Totally.
But, yeah, it's insane to think that this is India.
I know.
This is India.
I know.
It is snowing. Like, look at the amount of snow.
Look at this.
Feel how soft this is. This powder.
Is it soft?
This is like snow angel stuff.
Oh.
Can I feel this?
This actually is like a magical winter wonderland. Yeah. This was not what I expected India to be like at all. Wow, you are like covered in fresh snow.
It's like in my beard. And
in my face, in my hair, in my scarf.
Look at that. There's snow in my beard.
Goodbye, mountains! We had so much fun today.